Did you know that saving $1,000 quickly is very easy if you have a clear plan? If you aim to save $1,000 in 2 months, you need to save about $500 a month, or around $125 a week. If 2 months feels too fast, you can stretch it out, but keep breaking it down into smaller, manageable amounts. So first, look at your spending. If you usually spend $5 on coffee each day, cutting that out for a month saves $150. If you're spending $50 a week eating out, cutting it back to once a week could save around $150 a month. Secondly, you have to set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Even if it's just $10 or $20 a week, it will add up fast. Most important thing is turning off lights. Unplugging appliances can save you on utility bills. If you get any extra money like bonus, a tax refund, or birthday cash, put it straight into your savings. This also can help you to move toward your $1,000 goal fast.